topic is polymerization reactions. On the basis of chemical nature of functional group, the polymers can undergo a number of reactions and form a polymer structure with new properties and applications. They are hydrolysis reaction, hydrogenation reaction, addition reaction, substitution reaction and cross-linking reactions. So these are the 5 types of reaction. First is hydrolysis reaction. In hydrolysis reaction, polymer containing amide, ester and acetal in the presence of acid or alkalis and can be hydrolyzed. When these functional groups are present in backbone of the polymer chain, the hydrolysis causes the degradation of the chain as follows. Here you can see degradation of chain is taking place. Amino group and carboxylic group are getting separated. This type of reaction is known as hydrolysis reaction. Next example is in the hydrolysis reaction, if the amide and ester and acetal groups are present in the side chain of the polymer molecule, due to hydrolysis only a change of functional group takes place, but degradation of any chain do not take place. See, you are seeing this chain is there, the degradation is not taking place. By hydrolysis the chain is there, the chain is only breaking but degradation is not taking place. Next, hydrogenation reaction. Addition of hydrogen takes place in unsaturated organic molecules in the main chain or side chain of the polymer molecule in the presence of catalyst. Example is polyisoprene, or addition of hydrogen forms copolymer. So here polyisoprene forms copolymer of ethylene and propylene. So this is one of the example again of hydrogenation reaction. Next is addition reaction. In addition reaction, the repeating monomer forms a linear or branch structure depending on the type of monomer. Example, polybutadiene, on addition of hydrogen chloride gives chlorinated polyisobutadiene. So polybutadiene gives next chlorinated polyisobutadiene. Next is substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, insaturated polymers can be involved through a free radical chain process. Example, polyethylene on substitution of chlorine gives chlorinated polyethylene. Polyethylene gives chlorinated polyethylene by free radical mechanism. So here free radical is there. If free radical is there, free radical is getting separated with, here one of the H goes to R and RH is formed, and here again this polyethylene free radical is formed. This polyethylene free radical again reacts with chlorine free radical to give chlorinated polyethylene. Next, cross-linking reaction. Cross-link is a bond that links one polymer chain to another polymer chain. When breach of a covalent bond or hydrogen bond is formed between linear polymer chain leading to a three-dimensional network is known as cross-linking. Chemical covalent cross-links are stable mechanically and thermally. So once formed are difficult to break. Example is here styrene plus divinyl benzene form cross-link polymer. Here cross-linking is there and this type of cross-link polymer is formed in this cross-link polymer. Next, reactions of aliphatic pendant groups in polymer. First of all, we will see what is a pendant group. What is a pendant group? A group attached to the polymer backbone and present in the repeating unit is called a pendant group. Example, in polyvinyl alcohol, here polyvinyl alcohol, hydroxyl group is the pendant group, and in polystyrene, here the benzene ring is the pendant group. So here hydroxyl group is the pendant group and here the benzene group is the pendant group. Next, reaction of hydroxyl group. Polymer molecule which consists of hydroxyl group in the structure gives following reaction. Polyvinyl alcohol reacts with isocyanate and forms a derivative of urethane. Here we will see polyvinyl alcohol reacts with isocyanate to give urethane derivative. So in the hydroxyl group is getting reacted here with the isocyanate and you are getting urethane derivative of polyvinyl alcohol. This is the reaction of hydroxyl group of pendant group. Pendant group reaction reacts in this way. Reaction of aldehyde group. Here aldehyde group, polymer molecule containing aldehyde group reacts as. So polyacrolein reacts with hydroxylamine to form oxime derivative. This is the polyacrolein. This is the aldehyde molecule reacts with hydroxylamine to give polyacrolein oxime derivative. So this is the, here the aldehyde group is the pendant group. It reacts with hydroxylamine to give polyacrolein oxime derivative. This is the reaction of aldehyde group. Pendant group, aldehyde group here is the pendant group. Next, reaction of ketonic group. Here ketone RCOR. So this is the, here the ketone group is the pendant group. Polyvinyl ketone reacts again with hydroxylamine to give oxime derivative. Here the C double bond NO, this is the oxime group. So this is the pendant group. Here ketonic group is the pendant group and reacts with hydroxylamine to give oxime derivative. Next, reaction of carboxylic group. Here carboxylic group is the pendant group. Polyacrylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to give sodium salt of polyacrylic acid. So here polyacrylic acid, we are seeing polyacrylic acid, the pendant group is reacting and sodium group is getting attached here and it is forming sodium salt of polyacrylic acid. Next, reaction of amide. Here the RCONH. So here CONH2 is the amide group which reacts with bromine in the presence of base to give polyvinyl amide. So amide group is converting into the amine group. Here amide group is converting into an amine group. Next, reactions of, so now up to now we are studying the aliphatic pendant group. Now we are studying the aromatic pendant group in polymers. So polymers with aromatic pendant groups undergo all characteristic reaction of benzene such as alkylation. Alkylation means addition of alkyl group, nitration means addition of nitrogen and sulfonation means addition of sulfonyl group. Here example is polystyrene on reaction with aluminium chloride gives polychlorostyrene. So you are seeing here polystyrene on in the presence of aluminium chloride minus HCl and you are getting polychlorostyrene. So these are the reactions of pendant group in polymers having the benzene ring. Thank you.